How to use your smart calendar. Step 1. Select the month and year. To start using Smart Calendar, choose the month from the drop-down menu, then select the year. The calendar will automatically update to match your selection. Step 2. Set your calendar start day. Choose whether you want the week to start on Sunday or Monday. Step 3. Add your calendar entries. You can add any event by typing a name in the name column of the calendar entries table, and then select a day from 1 to 31 in the day column. Once both are entered, your entry will appear in the calendar. Step 4. Add your bills and debt payments. Below the calendar, you'll see two tables, Bill Tracker and Debt Tracker. Use the drop-down menu to select the bills or debts you want to add, and enter a due date from 1 to 31. These entries will automatically appear in the calendar.